You know, too often we let the positive moments in life just pass by without truly feeling into them. Maybe your friend sends a caring text, a colleague makes you laugh, or you catch a rainbow stretching across the sky like I did the other week. Even though these are just tiny moments and the positive emotions associated with them fade, they don't have to. Instead of moving on, we can actually prolong the echo of what I call the feel-good moments by savoring the flavor. What is savoring? Savoring means that we intentionally feel into, enjoy, and extend our moments of positive experiences. It's a way of tuning up and amplifying the part of your nervous system that's responsible for your sense of safety and connection. Savoring is a powerful skill for self-regulation. And if it's not something that you naturally do, learning how can be an intentional tool for retraining your brain, building the skills that feed happiness. When you savor, you develop your ability to perceive what a positive state feels like. When you pay attention to that, you're more likely to take actions to create that feeling more often. In time, feeling positive becomes your new baseline. I remember an aha moment I had many years ago when I first started practicing yoga. It was like for the first time in my life, I felt really, really good. And many of my negative habits just kind of fell away. And my aha realization was that if you don't have the experience of what feeling good or happy feels like, you don't know what actions to take to create that state. So savoring is a way to capitalize on those feel-good moments to create more feel-good moments. On the other side of the equation is what's called dampening. Dampening is the habit of inhibiting the experience of a positive feeling. It means short-circuiting the response, snuffing it out. This habit also has an effect on your self-regulation, and not in a good way. It amplifies feelings of distress and anxiety and worry. It signals danger to your nervous system. So my question to you is, do you savor or do you dampen? There are different ways that we dampen positive experiences, and a common dampening habit is called distracting. That's when you ruminate on activities and thoughts, usually worries, that are unrelated to the enjoyable present moment. This is so common, so it's something to really watch out for. You can hear it in phrases like, yeah, but if only, I wish it were more, why can't I? One of the most common ways that we dampen is in talking about the weather. Oh, what a nice day, but it's supposed to rain later. Why can't every day be this nice? Dampening actually trains your brain to hijack your attention away from positive moments and degrades your long-term well-being. Because remember, your brain is a habit maker. What you plant in it and water will grow. So if you don't want to turn into the grumpy old fuddy-duddy next door, now's the time to make this shift. So here's one good thing you can practice in your life journey this week: savoring. And here's a way how. Be present to the good moments. Deliberately direct attention to the pleasant experience of now. Feel into it. Hang out in that. I call it stopping time. You drop in, you take a moment. This feels so good. I'm just living into this. I'm grokking the vibe. Being present to what's happening. You could do it on a nice walk home from work. You could notice the blossoms on the trees. You could see the light at this time of day, the taste of your morning coffee. Use your senses. Look, listen, smell, touch. You'll start perceiving more things around you. A whole world at any given moment that's here for you to witness and enjoy. Unless you're in danger, there's always something to grok if you get out of your head and expand your field of awareness. Savoring is a strategy we use in my movement classes to amplify the positive changes we experience. Savoring works to help our learning stick and shifts the neurological habits that cause both emotional and physical pain. So again, here's your one thing for the week. practice savoring positive moments. And be sure to sign up for our movie A-list so we can keep you posted on all the great things we're doing and exclusive content only for our followers. Thanks for being here. I'm savoring this moment with you.